Hello everyone, welcome to my another English video. And today I saw Indian news and Indian media reported that the Indian army could directly attack Bangladesh because why is Bangladesh buying attack helicopter and drone from Turkey and J-10C fighter jet from China and also attack helicopter from Russia. Their question is, what will Bangladesh do with so many fighter jet and helicopter? And I want to request the Bangladesh government, Dr. Mohammad Yunus sir, to allow Chinese fighter jet and Russian helicopter to fly Bangladesh sky very soon.